Fun fact, before I actually started filming this video, I just hit my fucking knee on the side of the bedpost. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Alvin and welcome back to my channel. So, I made a video for this Sunday and it's not this one that you're watching. It was actually another video where I get kind of crafty. It was a DIY bother type video and it sucked. I was having a good time making the videos and the crafts. I was actually making DIY face masks, the kind that you don't actually have to use a sewing machine and the kind that you don't actually have to pretty much bust your ass just to make. And when I was looking back at the footage, because I was using so many different angles, the video was out of focus. The lighting was terrible. Speaking of lighting, the lighting in these glasses is fucking awful. And overall, I feel like I just half-assed it. And when I make my videos, I don't like being half-assed. I like to make them whole-assed. So that's why you got this video explaining why that video won't ever get published or probably see the light of day. Oh, and by the way, here are the face masks that I actually made. So in the video, I explained that I actually had to destroy my Twitch socks because yes, these are actually Twitch socks that you are seeing. And it's no disrespect to Twitch. Fucking love Twitch. And here's another one that I made that says, I need space. It actually looks like a thong. When you think about it, this looks like a thong. And I also made this one, which actually, this is the correct way to make it. This one, it's a lot more shorter along the edges. And this one, well, it's a lot more bendy. Believe it or not, this one, you tell me which looks a little bit comfortable and better. This was the correct way to make a mask. See how it covers the entire face? Of course it looks like I'm wearing a clown nose. That's a planet, my people. This one would have been so cool because it literally says, I need space. I don't know, I feel like maybe this one, if it was stretched out a little bit more, would have been awesome, but I don't know. Look at how many face masks I made just to fucking try to make a video. Like, here's my other Twitch one. Face mask tour. This one was gonna be the best one made out of pizza, which... Hello. I threw this one in the trash, which I don't know why. And then I made this one. This one was actually supposed to be the proper one, but you know, once I was cutting, I cut the straps the wrong way. But yeah, that was what I spent an entire hour and a half fucking filming yesterday. But yeah, I promise next week's video will probably be a little bit better. To my standards anyway. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. I know it was a really sucky, quickie one, but just wanted to let you know that I don't like half-assed videos. And if there are some Sundays where I actually don't post any videos without any explanation, it's probably because I wasn't feeling the best and at 100%. Because if I have that negative energy, then it's just gonna show and it's just gonna ruin the video for everybody. So, well, I guess that can be considered an explanation as to why videos don't go up on Sunday sometimes. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go now. I have to go edit this video and then cool down. It's been consistently hot this entire week. It's actually like in the high 90s and I'm actually kind of sweating, but I'll be okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video and until next time, I bid thee fare thee well. Goodbye. This video sucks.